about out there, Channel 19? Channel 19, anybody got a copy on this Barefoot Radio out here, Paterson, New Jersey? Break, break.
Yeah, I hear you there. No? Yeah.
Hey, who we got out there coming back over here? Small fry, no squeal, mobile, chopping some big trees down and cutting some radios off. Break, break.
Go ahead, break. We got Mad Dog here coming back up on you there. Come on.
Hello, Mad Dog. Hey, Mad Dog, what's your 20 out there? Small fry, Paterson, New Jersey.
Right here by 78 westbound in Garden State Parkway. Come on.
Hey, 78 westbound. Hey, Mad Dog, did you say 78? You got Small Fry, Paterson, New Jersey. How we sound over there, Break?
Yeah, 78 westbound. Just sitting here a little bit of traffic. Right before the Garden State Parkway there. Come on. Oh, shit, I don't even think I got my phone either. Fuck. Yeah, it's probably...
Hey, Mad Dog, how we sound over there?
See what's going on, right? Roger that. Can't hear you and don't want to hear you.
I'm over here, Paterson, New Jersey, man. I'm chopping down some big trees. I'm taking numbers and I'm cutting radios off. You got Small Fry, Paterson, New Jersey, working this 46-inch diamond blade. I'm working my 46-inch diamond blade, a Scabarna.
Cutting off radios, taking numbers. Cutting off radios, taking numbers. Small Fry, pick up. How do you like the rest of them?
Hello, pickup truck, you're making a trip to Paterson, New Jersey, Roger?
Roger, right on, downtown Manhattan. Downtown Manhattan, Small Fry, right back.
Hey, copy that, I do. You say you're in Manhattan. Hey, pickup truck, I'm working my Scabarna. 46-inch diamond blade, and I'm chopping some big trees down. I'm taking numbers and I'm cutting radios off. Break, break, break.
Hey, Roger, right on. You said you're using your 46-inch Scabarna. 46-inch diamond blade, Scabarna. Taking down big trees and picking up numbers. Small Fry, pickup truck, right back.
Hey, pickup truck, somebody got about a 7 dead watt key. Hey, pickup truck, somebody got about a 7-pound dead key, but you're coming right on top of the 7-pound dead key. Pickup truck, you're coming right on top of that 7-pound dead carrier. Hey, pickup truck, Small Fry, I see a whole lot of big trees falling. Hey, pickup truck, I see a whole lot of big trees falling, no doubt about it. Pickup truck, I'm gone. Roger. That's a 10-4, Roger. That's a 10-4, Roger. Oh, Small Fry, cutting some big trees. I'm cutting some big trees, I'm chopping some big trees, and I'm taking numbers, and I'm cutting radios off. Paterson, New Jersey, break.
Yes, sir, there, Small Fry. Got a Mad Dog here back at the
Hello, Mad Dog, once again. Hello, pickup truck. Mad Dog, pickup truck, you're coming right on top of CK. Hey, Mad Dog and pickup truck, you're coming on top of that music. You're coming right on top of that music, no doubt about it. Small Fry chopping some big trees, taking numbers and cutting radios off. Break.
Hey, that's Small Fry. How about radio sound coming in there for Mad Dog?
That radio sounds good, man. Go to YouTube. Go to 206 NJ YouTube. 206 NJ, no joke, no justice. 206 NJ YouTube, and check out your radio. Check out how it sounds, baby.
Okay, fall on that there, small front.
Yes, sir. Roger, right on, man. Roger, right on. Look at that right there. Look at that right there. Small fry, small fry, small fry. Mobile chopping some big trees and cutting radios off and taking numbers, baby. Pickup truck, Roger, right on. Pickup truck, Roger, right on. You're doing a good job yourself too, man. Hey, pickup truck, you're doing a good job yourself also, no doubt about it. Pickup truck, small fry, me and my 46-inch diamond blade I got down, baby.
Everybody go to channel 18 except for that echo guy.
I want to know who's got the echo. Who's got the echo, baby? Hey, let me know if I got too much echo, man. I could back it down. Let me know if I got too much echo. I could back it down, no doubt about it. Look how I work. Look how I work this 46-inch diamond blade, my Escobarna. I'm working my Escobarna 46-inch diamond blade, cutting some trees down, taking numbers, and cutting radios off, baby. Maybe we'll get some sunshine out there. Maybe we'll get some sunshine. Don't let your hopes fade away. We'll get some sunshine. Small fry, no squeal, mobile, baby.
The guy coming to my job. Kick my ass.
Worldwide, small fry, no squeal, mobile, chopping some big trees and taking some numbers, and I'm cutting radios off, baby.
The guy coming to my job is absolutely correct. 10 to 7.